Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Wood. I'm here to read you the story called The Chicken Nugget, and this is from our Cat Bandit reader. Hank set his dish in the sink. He left a big chicken nugget on the dish. The nugget was still hot. The smell of chicken drifted up from the sink. It drifted into the den. The Cat Bandit was napping in the den, but he was sniffing as he slept. Sniff, sniff, sniff. There's that Cat Bandit. The Cat Bandit sprang up. He ran in and spotted the nugget in the sink. He sat a bit, thinking up a plan. Then he went to the closet and got a bunch of boxes. He set up a box. Then he set a big box next to that box. Then he set the biggest box next to the sink. The Cat Bandit set off running. He ran up the boxes, hopping from box to box. Then munch, munch, munch. That was the end of the chicken nugget. See that clever Cat Bandit moving those boxes to try to get that chicken nugget? Now on Seesaw, you are going to put the story events from the story that I just read you, the chicken nugget, in order. There are 5 sentences. At the end of each sentence is a line. On those lines, I want you to number the story events from 1 to 5. 1 would be the first event that happened in the story. 5 would be the last event that happened in the story. And then, of course, the events that happened in between. So you're going to put those 5 sentences in the order that they happened in the story that I just read you.